Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q7 Black Edition 55 TFSI Quattro Tiptronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning Glacier white metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the Black Edition, the car is covered in the stunning Black Edition styling package with the chrome badges on the front and rear. Under the bonnet is a 3-litre turbo petrol V6 producing 335 brake horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque. On the front we do have these LED headlights with LED daytime running lights giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 21-inch Audi Sport 10-spoke star-style alloy wheels finished in gloss black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that white metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the gloss black styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened using the key fob or the button underneath the Audi rings on the boot lid itself. This reveals plenty of storage space for everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop, and it also comes with the 7-seater mode, which has 2 electrically deployable rear seats which can be accessed via the boot itself. The interior is finished in twin black leather for maximum luxury with gloss black elements on the door cards, centre armrest with dual cup holders and twin rear air conditioning controls with heated outer rear seats for maximum luxury and comfort in the back. All 3 of the central row seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 3 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel, Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top and are fully electrically adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support. Finding your perfect driving position has never been easier, and the driver's seat does have 2 levels of preset memory for if you have multiple drivers. The virtual cockpit is configurable using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right, your volume and voice controls for mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath is your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle with multiple levels of driver modes available to you, and the adaptive air suspension will raise and lower itself to your needs. Also fitted to this vehicle is the Parking Assist, which has front and rear sensors and rear view camera to make parking even tight supermarket car parks even easier. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for watching this video on the approved used Audi Q7 Black Edition 55 TFSI Quattro Tiptronic in Glacier White, available at Stafford Audi now. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our sales team or simply come on down to the showroom and take a look for yourself.